my brand new Echo Show 8 2nd generation came in the mail. I ordered the 2nd generation, so even though the 3rd generation is like available, you know, they've announced it, I really don't like how the back kind of bulges outward a lot. So I decided, since I'm looking for an Echo Show, I'm gonna get the 2nd gen 8, because the 5 I think would be too small. So, and also let me know guys if you guys want a review on the Echo Sub I got for my birthday. So here's that, and let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? Package is open. I don't know. Aha! There it is. See, I thought this outside packaging was the actual packaging, but I guess not. So I'll set you guys down right here, and then tip it out. Ta-da! Alright, let's get rid of that. This, I'm gonna keep the scissors. I don't know why it's got this white kind of strap around it. It's a little odd. This is new directly from Amazon, so I trust it. So yeah, there it is. Echo Show 8, 2nd generation. There's some of the features. Can't really see them too well from what I can tell that you guys can see on this little screen. Alright, so I'm mainly going to be using this guy as like a picture frame somewhere around here. But yeah, so let's open it up. Get that nice satisfying peel. Nice. Let's throw that in there. Now we can go ahead and open you up. That's nice. It's like a little pull tab. Oh wow, this whole thing kind of comes out. Okay, wait. Set you guys down right here. Oh. There we go. Almost just dropped my thing. Alright. So, there's the Echo Show. This box has some papers that I'm not even going to open, at least for now. The rest of the box just has this guy, the plug, charger, whatever you want to call it. Cord. Yeah, not a charger. Something you should know, this thing does not have a battery, so it needs to be plugged in. Yeah, so here's this. It's really nifty, I like how it comes with that. See, like, while this one does bulge out quite a bit, it's like it's not, I feel like the 3rd generation bulges out even more, so I can't handle even more bulging out, if you will. So, in the front, you got your display. You got a camera slider right there. Plus, minus, mute buttons. You got power and micro USB slot. Bottom is just rubberized. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty heavy, actually. Open it up. Okay. It almost feels lighter once I got it out of that packaging. I don't know why, but it does. So, here it is. 8 inches, obviously. So I'm gonna plug it in, and then we'll. Alright, got it plugged in. So let me just plug this back part in. There we go. Should see something pop up anytime. There we go. Amazon. Now while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna open up my Amazon Alexa app and get to setting up. Ooh, that's nice. Alright. Let's go to Amazon Echo right there. There we go. Wait. We might actually have to try to... Okay, hold up. Let's go to English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
Okay, so I'm gonna put in my Wi-Fi password and I'll be right back. Okay, so I connected it to Wi-Fi. Now it's fetching registrations. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put in our Amazon account and I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're installing updates. Something that you guys should know is that it's a bit of a pain. Yeah, it's gonna restart twice, she said. It's a bit of a pain to set up, simply because you can't do it just through the Alexa app like I thought, but you have to do it directly on the device. So even though if you have the ELEXA app, you know, up and running, and you already have other ELEXA devices, don't, like, you have to put in your Amazon account and password and email and all your information directly on here. So that's a little bit annoying. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once it's done updated. Alright guys, it's the next day. I'll do a separate review if you guys want me to. But basically an overview is you just kind of swipe through. This is the home page, swipe down, settings, swipe down, do not disturb, brightness. I don't like how the brightness takes you into the settings. It does have auto brightness, so you can get it really dim, put it really bright for the sake of this video. Notifications, alarms, photo frame, which I probably won't show. Okay, that's fine, it's my room. Go to communicate, music. Okay, smart home. Video. It takes a little bit longer to load. It's like almost like a Fire TV, but not really. Routines and active media. So yeah, speakers sound really good. It's got enough bass. Camera cover right there. A little bit laggy, especially when you first turn it on, but it's nothing like bad, if you will. So I don't mind it. Mute. Volume. See, it goes plenty loud. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I can make a separate review, like I said, but it works great with my Echo Dot 4th Gen and my subwoofer. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.